Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you a very simple, creamy and delicious homemade mayonnaise. It's super easy with just few ingredients, and the best part is it tastes way better than store-bought. So let's jump right in. Here is what you need for today's recipe: some salt to taste, 1 egg, a tablespoon of white vinegar, or you can use a freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lastly, we have our 1 cup of oil. It could be any oil of choice like vegetable oil, sunflower oil, or canola oil. So we'll start by cracking our egg into a jar. So make sure your eggs is at room temperature for the best results. To that, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of white vinegar and a salt to taste. And also these ingredients help to blend and gives your mayonnaise that tangy flavor. So what we are going to do next is to add our oil. This step is very important. Okay, so we'll start by adding the oil very slowly, just a little at a time. If you're using a blender or immersion blender, keep it running while you add the oil. Okay, if you're whisking by hand, pour slowly and whisk consistently. As you blend, you will notice the mixture start to thicken and turn into creamy mayonnaise. This happens because the oil and the egg are emulsifying. Once your mayonnaise has thickened, and it gives it a very nice taste. Okay, you can add more salt or lemon juice if needed to suit your preference. And there you have it, perfectly homemade mayonnaise. And that is it for today's recipe. It's quick, simple, and absolutely delicious homemade mayonnaise. It's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or as a dip. It's so good. And guys, I had to make some chicken wrap, which I mixed the mayonnaise with some sweet chili sauce, then add in all my goodness and made this delicious wrap, which will be our next videos. So look out for that. It's so simple, and trust me, you're going to love it. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments how your mayonnaise turns out, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!